is clean. We are ready to wrangle it, to transform it from wide format into long format or tidy format. What I'm going to do is to select all the columns, and I'm going to select column A. I'm going to just drag to select all the columns in my data set up to 2013, right? Because as you notice, there is already 2014, 2015, 2016. I could have removed those columns, obviously. I didn't do it, but if we are going to save this perfectly clean, it will be appropriate to remove these columns before saving the original file as a modified file. Okay, so we have all the columns selected, all the values selected on our data set. I'm going to copy, Command C or Control C, and I'm going to go to Data Wrangler. Try it now. I'm going to click on Try it now. When you click on Try it now, what will happen is that you will get an empty window in which you can paste your data. Paste data below to begin wrangling. Now, this will show you some data. This is a preset data that the creators of the software used to demonstrate the software. It's a data set, by the way, that they used in a video that you perhaps should watch. Will appear over here, which is a short tutorial on how to use a data wrangler. It's like a 3-minute long video, so you can take a look at it if you want. All right, I'm not going to do that now. All right, so I'm going to just click on Try it now again, and I'm going to just basically select all these, erase it, all right, and paste my data instead. So this is going to paste all my data, and right after I do that, I'm going to click on Wrangle, and what will happen is that the software will show me a spreadsheet with all the data, basically the spreadsheet of the data that we are using. Now, don't touch on anything. I am not going to cover all the features and that the software has. I'm going to focus on the task at hand, which is transforming the data set from wide into long format. Just be aware that there are many other things that can be done with this little piece of software. Now, the first thing that we are going to do, or that we need to do, is to tell Data Wrangler that the first row of data, right, the first row number 1, is the header row. Okay, the software will not be able to identify that fact on its own, so we need to actively tell it this is the header row. So I'm going to click on the header name, on the row name, which is the 1 that you see here. I'm going to click on that, the 1. That is going to select, it's going to happen in just 1 second. The reason why it takes a little bit long is that my internet connection is a little bit slow. But if you click on 1, that it's selected. If you click on the name of the row, then the 1. And the option that we need to click on is called Promote, which is up here. Okay, this one over here. Click on Promote. All right, and after you do that, keep your cursor over here. You will see that it says over here, Promote row 1 to header. Now, when that shows up over here, click on the plus symbol. What the plus symbol does is to apply that change to the file. So I'm going to click on that, click on the plus, and it will transform the first row of data into the headers. Okay, this will not be the first row of data anymore. You will see that the first row of data has become Aruba. So that's the first thing that we need to do. Now let's see how to transform from wide into long format.